Hey everybody, I want to talk a little bit today about a really great plant to attract honeybees and other types of native bees that live here in Northeast Florida. This is Cuphea. They're calling it FloriGlory now. The Cuphea is a fantastic perennial plant with purple flowers that the honeybees adore. I remember last year walking by the tables and the honeybees were getting their pollen and nectar from these plants all throughout the warm season. They were active, going back and forth from their hives here to the garden center. I'm sure there's several hives just behind me here in the forest. We actually had a swarm a few weeks ago, and we had somebody who was shopping here who was actually a beekeeper who helped us gather that swarm and get it to a safe place. But we all know that bees are struggling in their environment here for various reasons. By adding certain attractor plants like the Cuphea, the FloriGlory in particular, you're going to be doing your part to help ensure that the bees are going to be making it from year to year.